Good morning, everybody. So we start with the global market news update today. Market in the US were closed on Monday due to Labor Day holiday. Future tied to the three major indexes were down ahead of Tuesday session. The blue chip Dow Jones Industrial Average slipped by 57 points or 0.14%. The S&P 500 future fell by 0.12% and the Nasdaq 100 future fell by 0.26%. Gold prices dipped on Monday as the dollar strengthened, while investors awaited key US job data to firm their bets on the size of Federal Reserve interest rate cut expected this month. Spot gold was down by 0.3% at 2494.76 per ounce as of 0330 GMT. US gold future held steady at 2527.20 dollars. The dollar climbed to a two-week top against the euro on Monday as trader part bet for aggressive policy easing by the Federal Reserve, with the focus now moving to a crucial US job report at the end of the week. The dollar advanced to the strongest since August 21 on the yen, rise in long-term treasury yield to the highest since mid-August after a closely watched measure of US inflation held steady, reducing the imperative for the Fed to cut interest rate by supersized 50 basis point on September 18th. Now coming to the Indian market update, we see that Nifty closed around 42 point positive, that is around 0.17%. And today's support level would be around 25,165 followed by 25,131, and the resistance level would be around 25,373 followed by 25,408. Now coming to the Bank Nifty closed around 88 point positive, that is around 0.17%. And today's support level would be around 51,147 followed by 51,038. And the resistance level would be around 51,670 followed by 51,772. Now coming to the mid cap closed around 134 point negative, that is around 0.23% negative, and today's support level would be around 58,532 followed by 58,307, and the resistance level would be around 59,737 followed by 62,266. And coming to the small cap closed around negative 62 point, that is around negative 0.33%, and today's support level would be around 19,060 followed by 18,979, and the resistance level would be around 19,552 followed by 19,635. Now coming to the sectoral update, we see a good buying opportunities in IT sector, rating sector, alcohol sector, telecom sector, healthcare sector, agriculture sector, fast moving consumer goods sector, chemical sector, finance sector, consumer durable sector. And top deliveries we see in gas and transmission sector, alcohol sector, diamond and jewelry sector, finance sector, power sector, chemical sector, FMCG sector. Now coming to the basket recommendation, we continue with the financial services stock basket with the expected return of 10%. And performance review so far is large cap performed till now 6.06%. Auto stock basket performed around 2.77%. Private bank performed around negative 2.23%. FMCG performed around 8.22%. Tata Group performed around 4.99%. And financial services stock basket performed till now 3.75%.